Ganzalu. I am from Nelson Mandela University, South Africa.
My name is Itumeleng Zosela from Nelson Mandela University in South Africa.
My name is Dr. Palesa Matapo, and I'm the Director of Research Support and Management at Nelson Mandela University.
My name is Tabindaba. I'm from Nelson Mandela University in South Africa. I'm very excited because this is our first program to attend with the group of researchers that we have recruited. I'm very excited and I'm looking forward for them to commercialize their work.
SUT SPARK, I feel very excited and I'm inspired to be here.
I'm feeling very inspired and also excited about the future after being exposed to this experience.
Firstly, it's amazing that there is such a program, and also that there are universities that are so invested in developing training and training materials and opening up to institutions all over the world to come and learn and co-share in their knowledge and development. Entrepreneurship is not something that comes naturally to researchers, and so we need to actually develop capacity building programs to ensure that can happen. As you know, most universities will have innovation office and a technology transfer, but the researchers do not have that mindset about how their research can really change the world. I'm a scientist myself, and when I was studying, all I wanted was to change the world with my research, but I never knew how actually to translate that into reality. And so being exposed in a space where I can actually try to find what is the social problem I'm trying to do with my research. We want our graduates to have the problem-solving mindset. When they are designing a research, it's not for the paper only. It's about what's going to do to my community. How is it going to improve industry? Is it going to help the government make good decisions? What type of policy influence will my work have? And having these programs can do that for researchers, because sometimes us as directors, we don't have the expertise and the ability nor the opportunity to do it on a daily basis. And so learning from spaces like here in the SUT SPARK and the coming next week, the GEC, it's a really good platform for both staff and students. When we go home, we are really thinking about what workshop are we going to do? How can we make sure we have more students participating in the next Spark? How can we make sure that we get our students and researchers to be thinking about when they're designing a project, they're now thinking, am I going to solve the water issue? Am I going to solve the disease issue? How am I going to generate money for this company? Is the government going to have a new policy from my work? And how will that improve lives? And so it's not just the research anymore. It's the socially impactful research that you can measure. So I think it's absolutely important. And for me, I will really fight for getting more funding to make sure that I can bring more students here. So it's been wonderful.
I believe this program is going to create job employment, going to make our researchers to engage more with the industry, and it's going to attract more researchers in commercializing their ideas and making sure that their innovation is seen and is solving solutions for our country and even the world.
So the most valuable thing that I've learned from this camp that is provided by SUT SPARK is that, research should go beyond just thinking about publication, but you should also look at what societal impact, economic impact that your research should, contribute towards your country and also beyond.
In SUT SPARK, I've learned that entrepreneurship is not an overnight journey. You need to be teachable, you need to be able to adapt, and most importantly, you need to be resilient.
So 3 words to describe SUT SPARK will be inspired, innovative, and impactful.
3 words to describe SUT SPARK, I would say it is motivating, it is a very intriguing program, and it is enjoyable.
Hello, Dr. Malika Sangsanit. I'm the head of the Center of Excellence for Entrepreneurship at SUT or Suranaree University of Technology.
So I am Lars. I have many roles at university, but they're all related to impact. So I'm working both with the Student Entrepreneurship Development Academy. I'm head of innovation and IP management, and I work with the university's internationalizations of efforts with the Center for International Affairs.
SUT SPARK is initiative, and we designed it from our own experience, from helping researchers to commercialize or transfer the technology. So it means the journey is not easy. It's up and down. Sometimes you feel like but then you feel like confused. But anyway, that is the life. That is the journey that you need to be patient and really learn to navigate through complexity and difficulties and challenges. So be open-minded and learn and adapt.
Don't be scared. You will probably fail the first time, but if you're a passionate researcher, this is the way forward to create impact from your research. Publications create very limited impact, but entrepreneurship potentially can create a lot of impact.